I'm DIANNA MAZZONE. I'm the beauty editor here at InStyle. I wear red lipstick all the time and I find that to be super easy, but I have a lot of trouble with neutrals because my skin is so fair. So I've called in Vincent Oquendo and we're going to find the proper nude for me.
So I like a lip mask to prep and prime the lips. It takes out any dry patches. If you have any like extreme dryness, take a baby wipe and then just sort of scrub it.
Okay, so applying this like a normal lip balm?
Yeah, you're just gonna sort of slather your lips, put that on. We can sort of create our shape just a little bit outside the lip line.
How important is using lip liner with a nude lip?
Oh, super important. Because if you just have nude and it's not defined, it just can kind of wash you out. So I really like the Donatella color by Pat McGrath, but it has like a subtle like bluish rosy undertone. You have like a really beautiful green hazel eye, so that blue makes it pop. One way that women go wrong with nudes is not having enough color on your face. So when you take away something, you have to make up for it somewhere else. So I'm using that blush and then I'm gonna just swipe a little on your lids.
I never would have thought to put it on my lids. That's a great tip.
So one last little hack that I'm gonna show you, if you are struggling with defining your lips, even with the lip liner, take your favorite concealer and you're just gonna edge out your lip line.
Okay, I'm not scared of nude anymore. I think I can do this.
I'm so glad.
All right.
All right, well, let's do it.
You've given me the tools to try a nude lip on my own, so I'm gonna get started. I know we said the most important thing was to get the moisture going, since nude can create some chapped looks sometimes. So I'm gonna do a tiny bit here. Now I'm going to go at it with my liner. We chose the middle shade because it wasn't too pink, it wasn't too brown, and it had a bit of rosiness. I tried to overline here, but I may have gotten a little...
No, you did great.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you did really great.
Thank you.
Oh.
Now, I think it's time to go in with the color itself. And then I remember we're going a little out of the box here, but it was key to add blush to balance things out. Yeah. So I'm going to do a little bit of that and even go over my lids here, which you taught me. Did I do it?
So good.
Thank you.
Let's do a little lip vogue.
Let's do a little lip vogue. Thank you, Vincent. You have showed me that there is life beyond red lips and that I can do a neutral even though I have fair skin. Thank you.
You're welcome.